Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And one thing that I hate about camping is having to take forever to put up a tent. I'm so incredibly impressed by how quickly this tent went up. I got this tent from Tough, and they said it would only take 60 seconds for me to put it up, and they are absolutely accurate. It's incredible because the tent rods are already a part of the tent. You simply pull up the middle part and then you go to the sides and expand those up, and they all click into place, and it's incredible. It is going to take you a little bit longer to attach the rain flap with the ties. That took me about 3 to 4 minutes to tie them up and then to place them with their stakes in the ground. But overall, wow, so much easier than putting up a tent where you have to put the poles through and figure things out. This just took all of the work out of it. My husband and I love to camp in a big tent. Even though it's just the two of us, this can fit more people than that. I love that this tent has 4 windows and an extra wide door in the front. Now, I'm 5'4", and I can actually stand up full on in the tent, which is incredible. I love that. I love that this tent has lots of vent openings, not just around the top, but actually there's a vent towards the bottom and the back. And so that really helps to keep down the condensation inside the tent, which is awesome. We are so excited to use this summer for all of our camping adventures. It is a perfect size and height, and we just love it. And that's our point of view.